Emma was feeling exhausted and overwhelmed as a new mother. Her baby Sophia was fussy and colicky, crying for hours each day. A friend suggested she try an infant massage and recommended a class. Emma was skeptical, but decided it was worth a try. At the class, she learned simple massage techniques tailored for babies. That night, she gave Sophia a gentle massage with calming essential oils after her bath. Within minutes, Sophia was cooling and yawning before quickly falling asleep. Emma noticed Sophie slept soundly for longer periods and seemed more content when awake. She realized that baby massage was benefiting them both, creating precious moments of calm collection. Baby Massage Day promotes the benefits of infant massage by encouraging parents to engage in this bonding activity with their babies. Massaging babies has been practiced for centuries in many cultures. Research shows it aids development and offers both short and long-term benefits for babies, including improved sleep, reduced crying, better digestion, and weight gain. For parents, it provides an opportunity to relieve stress and content through the power of nurturing touch. The benefits of baby massage highlight why nurturing relationships are so critical for healthy development. Gentle, loving touch causes physiologic changes in babies that support growth and trust. The physical intimacy of massage also enhances the emotional bond between babies and parents or caregivers. This early experience of caring human contact helps shape a baby's healthy relationships and well-being for life. On Baby Massage Day, parents are encouraged to make the time to give their babies a massage. Those who practice infant massage regularly can expand the routine. Many massage therapists, hospitals, and baby stores worldwide also offer free or no-cost infant massage classes for parents on this day. Some healthcare organizations use this day to promote awareness of the benefits of baby massage through social media campaigns and rich publications. At home, parents groups host virtual sections to teach simple massage techniques. The evening after her first infant massage class, Emma found those precious calm moments she had been missing. As she gently massaged Sophia before bed, Sophia gazed up at her with sleepy, contented eyes. In that look, Emma felt a rush of tenderness and connection that stayed with her long after Sophia fell asleep. She knew this simple practice was a gift they would both treasure for years to come. On Baby Massage Day, Emma was grateful to have discovered the joys and benefits of nurturing touch. Her little Sophia was happier and healthier thanks to the power of infant massage. April 8 is Baby Massage Day. Here is a painting with all your pastels for this special day, and have a wonderful Baby Massage Day. Cheers!